Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6, and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to power it off by holding power key and volume up, I believe. Yep. So it looks like we just pressed them. And this brings us the boot mode right here, so we can select power off. And once the device turns off, like it did right now, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. So let's do it right now. This will boot us into boot mode. So from here, using only volume keys, you want to navigate through the options in order to select recovery mode, and then press power key once you see it right here to confirm that mode. Now before we actually enter recovery mode, we'll see this thing, so Android with no command. So to get past this, all you need to do is hold power key and press volume up once, and this will take us to recovery mode. And there we go, that is how you boot into this mode. Now in here you can navigate again the same way using volume keys, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going over the options right here, we have boot mode, which takes us back to where we came from. We have also fast boot mode. We have option to update our device from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off our device. Now, because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna select the first option, reboot system now, confirm it with power key, and this will now take me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.